If you want to get the best jigsaw according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have BLACK+DECKER Jig Saw BDEJS600C. This corded jigsaw from BLACK+DECKER features a 5 ampere motor that delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute. The tool also has an adjustable saw orbit that lets homeowners adjust the blade's orbital setting to control the aggressiveness and accuracy of each cut. In addition to its unique settings, the jigsaw comes with a beveling shoe for making angled cuts in any direction. Moving on to the next at number 2 with DEWALT 20V Max XR Jigsaw DC334B. This convenient cordless jigsaw from DEWALT is lightweight and powered by a long-lasting 20V battery to help homeowners carve precise cuts into wood and other materials. While delivering powerful results, the jigsaw prioritizes control with its variable speed dial that adjusts the jigsaw's cutting speed to match material requirements. Additionally, the jigsaw uses a convenient LED light to illuminate work surfaces in dimly lit areas. The number 3 position is held by BLACK+DECKER 20V Max BDEJS600C. This battery-powered jigsaw comes with a blade, battery, and charger, providing you with the tools and accessories needed to complete your next project. This cordless jigsaw offers customized cutting through its variable speed trigger and a bevel shoe that allows homeowners to make 45-degree cuts in both directions. Additionally, the jigsaw helps you keep your workstation clean with its built-in desk blower. Next at number 4 we have Milwaukee Meteen Fuel D-Handle Jigsaw. This Milwaukee jigsaw uses an intelligent battery that works with the tool and its charger to protect against overload and delivers long-lasting results off of a single charge. This tool also uses a brushless motor that adjusts speed and power output based on load requirements, further increasing battery life and product durability. Additionally, the jigsaw offers adjustable cuts through its variable speed settings. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by BOSCH JS470EB. With its unique barrel grip design, this BOSCH jigsaw is accurate, controllable, and great for cutting wood and soft metal. The jigsaw uses a convenient tool-less blade change system and a powerful 7-amp motor to deliver precise cuts with ease. Additionally, the jigsaw features a 4-setting orbital adjuster that allows homeowners to swap between delicate and aggressive cutting. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.